My name's Vernon and I retired to Spain here in the Orba Valley when I was 60 years old. Deciding to retire early to somewhere more pleasant where I could enjoy my retirement and perhaps have a longer and healthier life. We decided that the area that attracted us most about Spain was the Costa Blanca because of its climate and so on. And we had looked in the Val de Pop in Jalón, and we rented there for 3 or 4 months to see whether we would like living here. And we started to look for suitable villas. We wanted somewhere with a peaceful environment, a swimming pool, close to a town and so on. And we shortlisted, if you like, Jalón and Orba. But eventually when we came to Orba and we started to look here, we decided that this was the most beautiful valley we'd seen. It was peaceful, the views were beautiful. And then we found this particular villa and you can see for yourself the views, surrounded by the mountains. It's very peaceful, a lovely place to retire. Then we started to find out more about the town, and we love Orba because it has everything we need. It has a supermarket, it has a good range of restaurants and bars. It has a good place for servicing my car. It has an electrical shop, and most important, I think, it has what we now know to be one of the best health centres in the area. I mean, it's open 24 hours a day. I'm lucky enough not to have needed it, but as you get older, it's something which is quite important. The other advantage of this particular location is that we can walk into Orba. We can sit in a bar and have a beer and walk back home. We can go to a restaurant in the evening, have a bottle of wine. So we have the best of both worlds. We have peaceful surroundings, but access to the town and its people. The people of Orba we love because we find them so much more friendly. It's so much more relaxed. The contrast between the UK now and Spain is enormous, because everyone in the UK is stressed and aggressive. Here everyone is friendly, relaxed, and we've already got to know so many people, even with our limited knowledge of Spanish. But it's nice that you can be recognized and that you can go into shops and restaurants and be greeted in a friendly way. And we love it for that reason as well. And I think although people might think it's perhaps too quiet here, it's only 20 minutes from Denia, from the Porto de la Marina, the big shopping centre. If you want to go to the beaches, it's only 20 minutes away. So we're happy. To me, to sort of summarise this, Orba is the place to live for us because it provides us with a very relaxed environment, friendly people, and hopefully a more healthy and longer life.